In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva filters to enhance images. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the filter options in Canva, how to apply them, and how to get your photos looking more polished and professional. Let's start from inside a Canva design that already has a photo placed on the canvas. The first thing you need to do is click directly on the photo you want to enhance. This tells Canva that this is the element you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles appear around the image. If you have multiple elements on your design, make sure you're clicking on the actual photo and not on text or shapes nearby. Once your photo is selected, look towards the toolbar that appears at the top of the Canva interface. In this toolbar, you'll see several options, and one of them will be labeled Edit or Edit Image. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a panel, usually on the left or right side of your screen, where all of the adjustment tools and creative effects are located. Inside this editing panel, you'll find a section specifically for filters. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit within the panel until you locate the area that mentions filters, or shows a row of preset filter thumbnails. Click on the filter section to expand it so you can view all of the available styles. Now you're ready to choose a filter. You'll see different preset looks, each represented by a small preview image. Hovering over these or clicking on them will show you how your photo changes in real time on the canvas. Select a filter that matches the mood or style you're aiming for, whether that's warm and vibrant, cool and muted, or something more dramatic. After you pick a filter, pay attention to the intensity or slider control that usually appears with it. You can drag this slider left or right to make the effect more subtle or more pronounced. A helpful tip is to start with a stronger effect so you can clearly see what it does, then gradually dial it back until it looks natural and fits your design. When you're happy with the result, simply click away from the photo or close the edit panel, and your enhanced image is ready to use in your Canva design.